So I'm back with another video. Today we have the Travis Scott times Fortnite merch review. Everything from Mantra Project Season 3 is beginning to ship. So thank you guys for the patience. It has been crazy with the orders and all that, but everything is starting to ship out. But let's get right into the review of the Travis Scott times Fortnite merch review. So here it is. I already opened it. I didn't know that this was a shirt. I had ordered this like 4 or 5 weeks ago. So here we go. Open the shirt up already too. Here's a t-shirt I got. So I ordered 3 things from the drop. I ordered this t-shirt, I ordered the action figures, and then I ordered the Scotch vinyl, the pink cause vinyl. I was gonna go back there for the display, but we got this t-shirt that came in the mail first. The action figures probably won't be here till October, so expect a review in October of that. And if you guys like merch reviews and the merch overviews and all that, definitely subscribe to the channel. There are definitely more merch reviews coming. We have the weekend's merch coming. We have Nav Velo merch coming, and we have a lot more stuff coming. So definitely stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, turn notifications on, and make sure to like the video, guys. So let's get right into this t-shirt. I got the Travis Scott Astronomical from the Fortnite event. And I did do a review on everything that he did release from this, from the first drop. So if you guys want to check that out, it's probably like 3 or 4 videos down. But this is the t-shirt I got. I like this one because this one isn't printed on Gildan. This t-shirt is a little bit better quality than the Gildan quality. This is a vintage wash. The retail on this t-shirt was, I believe, $50. And I think it came out to $65 after shipping and everything. Shipping was crazy. It was like $16. But, you know, I had to cop it. They are doing good on resale, so if you guys did buy these to resell, they are doing pretty good. I think these are going for like $100, $120, the max right now. But, you know, if you hold them, they definitely will be going up. So on the front, you get Astronomical, and this isn't a 3D puff print. It didn't say that on the description, but I really like that he did add some detail to the 3D puff. And it's just not the green, it is this like TV type of static material as well. Then you got Travis Scott and the emote stage. This is one of the skins you could have bought if you bought it. I think it was available for like 3 or 4 days. I really like that. And then you do have them in the Jordan 1s. So if you do have the Cactus Jack Jordan 1s, this shirt will go perfect. On the right side, you have Live and Sweaty Sands, Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, which is when he did the first concert for Fortnite. You have the world right there with this little trademark right there. Then you have the little Fortnite. I really didn't want Fortnite on it, but I do know it is a Fortnite collab. So it is what it is. You got the songs that he did perform. He performed Sicko Mode, Stargazing, Goosebumps, Highest in the Room, and the Scots. The Scots he did premiere on this actual concert. So I really like that touch that he did premiere a song on the Fortnite concert. But on the back of the shirt is one of my favorite parts, and one of the reasons why I bought it is it's crazy. It was actually in the Fortnite concert when the world exploded at the end of the concert. You have the speaker in the middle with the thing with Astroworld theme park just getting exploded. I really like that touch. And it is like the actual theme park of Astroworld because you have the Astroworld logo right there. I really, really like this t-shirt. This t-shirt is actually going for like the most out of everything that he released in terms of the t-shirts. This is going for like 100, 120. So I'm definitely happy I copped it when I did. I'm not selling mine. I have a lot more Cactus Jack stuff coming in. So definitely subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. And this t-shirt, how it fits really, really oversized. I'm actually thinking about going down a size next time. This t-shirt really fits oversized. And it is like almost a boxy fit. Almost like a real vintage type of t-shirt fit. I really, really like the fit. But next time I think I'm going to go down a size, or I'm going to try to shrink this one. But I'm definitely keeping it. Either way, I really like the oversized look. But yeah, guys, let me know down below what you cop from the drop. If you got the figures, a t-shirt, let me know down below what you cop. And definitely stay tuned to the channel. We have more merch coming in from the weekend, Nav, Travis Scott. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and definitely like the video if you guys liked it. And until next time, guys, peace.